Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Lutfi Atika from Public Sector Accounting 1MSU class. The Honorable my teacher Serbeni and my beloved friends. Today, I'm going to deliver my presentation about time management. But before I start my presentation, I will give you some question. My question is, what is your guilty pleasure? Guilty pleasure is the kind of something fun, but actually it's not good. Guilty pleasure is I often buy things that are not what I need. I just want it. Unfortunately, I realized that when the things that I have arrive at my home, I always deny that this is what I want. When I scroll my e-commerce, I still not realize. So next, what is time management? Time management is the strategy of planning out our available time and controlling over time you spend on a specific task in order to work more efficiently. If you're having a good time, you will get a lot of benefit. So I will share some benefits that you will get if you have a good time management. The first is increase performance. You can boost your productivity and then reduce your stress and then better work-life balance because we are students, it means better study-life balance. And then open up new opportunities. It means by having a good time management, you can join a lot of activities such as join some organization or some competition. And then more time freedom to do things that matter to you. And the last, be more focused to reach your goals. How to manage the time? Uh, Actually, there is a lot of technique that you can use, that you can apply in daily activities to manage your time. But here I have some technique that I will share to you. So the first technique is the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is good for people who frequently get distracted and struggle to maintain focus on their tasks. What you will need if you want to apply this technique is you will need your to-do list and your timer. To start this technique first, you can start by choosing the task that you want to do, you want to focus on, and then set your timer or app for a block of 25 minutes. Second, reward yourself with a 5-minute breaks. Third, complete 4 Pomodoros and take a longer break, about 15 to 20 minutes. Second technique is task batching. This technique is good for people who time hopping a lot of time between unrelated to-dos. If you want to apply this technique, you will need your to-do list and your highlighters. The concept is simple. Your goal is to group similar to-dos together so that you can tackle them all at once while you are in the frame of mind. To apply text batching, you can use Google Calendar or journaling. So I will share you some example of text batching. So this is the example of text batching. Okay, the last technique is Eisenhower matrix. In Eisenhower matrix, it's good for people who have a lot of to do but have no idea where to start. The tools that you will need if you want to apply this technique is your to-do list, paper, and your pen. So I will explain about the Eisenhower matrix. The first is urgent but important. Urgent and important. It's kind of your priority, so tackle this first. And second is urgent and not important. It can be a second choice that you can do after you have done your priority, so handle this next. So the third is not urgent and important. Schedule time to work on this in the near future. So the last is not urgent and not important. You can eliminate it, and this can be probably fall off your to-do list entirely. So that's all the technique that I already shared to you. So it's time to you to choose which one looks good with you, and don't forget to apply in your daily activities. So actually time management, I have a time management list slide. The first is set your goals. Second, determine your priority. A third, list down activity to achieve your goals based on the priority. And the last, reward yourself. I think that's enough all of my from my presentation. I hope it can be useful for us. And I'm sorry if I have a mistaken from my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.